Hello.
Good evening to you.
Good evening.
So here's my question. Dumami ang followers mo sa social media nung naging finalist ka. Paano mo gagamitin ang opportunity na ito kahit natapos na ang competition na to?
I'm sorry. Could I get English, please?
I will try my best. Are you ready for this? Woo!
Marian Rivera napalaban sa Inglisan. Puring-puri ng publiko ang aktres na si Marian Rivera sa kanyang pagsasalita ng English sa isang fitness competition nitong Martes ng gabi. Sa question and answer segment ng Century Tuna Superbuds 2024, ay ipinatranslate sa English mula sa Tagalog ng male contestant ang tanong ni Marian, na isa sa mga judges. Nagpalakpakan naman ang audience dahil nagawa ni Marian na maisalin sa English ang tanong, na ikinatuwa ng mga netizens.
Let's have Mr. Jether Palomo come on up. You may pick from the box. Let's see. Hello, Jether. Thank you. Your judge is Marian Rivera Dantes.
Hi.
Hello.
Good evening to you.
Good evening.
So here's my question. Dumami ang followers mo sa social media nung naging finalist ka. Paano mo gagamitin ang opportunity na ito kahit natapos na ang competition na to?
I'm sorry. Could I get English, please?
I will try my best. Are you ready for this? Woo! Listen very carefully. Here's my question. Your social media following grew when you become a finalist. How would you use this opportunity even after your super bad journey? I think you understand that.
I agree with this platform showing that you can be authentically you and showing who you are as a person. I've been one to ruin my self-image and ultimately I fell apart, but those pieces of me didn't fall apart. They only fell into place. And now I want to be able to use that social platform to continue to inspire others on their fitness journey on becoming their best you ever. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Jether. We love a triumphant story. You picked Marian Rivera Dantes. Are you scared?
Yes.
Yes. Tagalog?
Kahit ano po.
Okay. So, ito yung question ko sa'yo. Kamusta ang naging super bad journey mo at ano ang pinakamimiss mo ngayong gabi pagkatapos nito?
Miss ko po lahat ng Superbuds. It was a great journey. These 3 months has been very well with them. Sobrang inspiration sila lahat. And to go through my life again without them by my side, I'm gonna miss that. Thank you.